So first question I am asking is, lead is a physical object? Yes, no, don't know. The right answer is, the lead is not a physical object. Electrode is different from a lead. Lead is an imaginary line through which you are measuring the electrical activity of the heart. So the answer is no, it is an imaginary line. Following are unipolar leads except V2, AVR, L2, V6. Here L2 is a bipolar lead. All the other three answers are unipolar leads. So the except lead is L2, which is a bipolar lead. The line of imagination for L2 is inferior and left. Right upper limb is connected to the negative pole and the left foot is connected to the positive pole.